Did you know that hydrogen peroxide is a powerful cleaner? Well, in this video, I'm gonna share with you so many different ways you can use plain old hydrogen peroxide around your home. So if you have stubborn stains on your clothes or your couch or your carpet, you can use hydrogen peroxide. 1 part hydrogen peroxide and 1 part dish soap. Mix it together and use a little toothbrush or a little brush to brush it on the spot where you have the stain. Let it sit for a couple minutes and then you wash as normal. Ta-da! The stain will be gone. If you want whiter, brighter smile, you can use hydrogen peroxide mixed with water. 1 part hydrogen peroxide, 1 part water. Gargle every single day, and over time, this ain't magic, okay? It ain't magic. Over time, if you continue to use it, it's gonna whiten your teeth. Not only that, it kills the bacteria in your mouth, so it is a magnificent homemade mouthwash. So if you don't have any mouthwash, you can use your hydrogen peroxide mixed with water as a mouthwash. It's gonna kill the bacteria in your mouth, leaving your mouth fresh. This tip and the last one goes hand in hand. So you know that you're supposed to change your toothbrush regularly. I hope you are. If you're not, then ew. But all fun and joke aside, you should be changing your toothbrush at least every 3 months. Okay? But between that time, you want to be sterilizing your toothbrush, and you can use hydrogen peroxide to do just that. Pour some hydrogen peroxide in a small cup or small bowl and put the head of your toothbrush in there. Let it sit for 30 minutes to an hour, and then you take it out, you rinse it off, boom. You're gonna have a sterilized toothbrush so that you don't feel gross the next time you're putting it in your mouth, okay? You're just gonna leave your toothbrush clean, sterilized. I have a question for you. Did you know that you can replace your bleach with hydrogen peroxide? I'm gonna give you a minute to answer in the comment. Yes, you can. So, hydrogen peroxide is actually a great cleaner. It is less toxic because y'all know that bleach is highly toxic with all that fumes, and it strip your hands and all of that jazz, right? So the hydrogen peroxide won't do that. You can, when you're washing your whites, the part that say add bleach on your washing machine, you can actually pour your hydrogen peroxide there. It's gonna wash your whites, leaving them bright just like the bleach. And it, as I said, it's great on stains just the same. So you can replace your bleach with hydrogen peroxide. And last but not least, you can use hydrogen peroxide to clean your glass and your mirrors. It has the same effect as the rubbing alcohol. So just the hydrogen peroxide, you don't need to mix it with anything. Just spray it directly on the glass and use a microfiber cloth to wipe it in the S pattern. This is gonna clean your glass, leaving it streak free and beautiful. So there you have it, guys. Those are your 5 amazing home hacks using hydrogen peroxide. I hope this video is helpful, and if it was, please let me know in the comments. And if you're not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell so that every time I upload, you won't miss a thing. With that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.